When do you call time of death on your relationship? You stay because you love them. You stay because you hope for change. But when do you actually learn what change looks like? Here's when to call it. Number 1, when the relationship starts to impact other areas of your life or other relationships in your life. You're isolated and or just unhappy. Number 2, repetition of abuse. They apologize, they promise change, rinse and repeat. Number 3 is when your emotional and psychological well-being are shot. You're experiencing emotional distress, depression, anxiety, or just generally feelings of unworthiness. Number 4 is just a lack of willingness to change overall. You know how everything is your fault? You know how they only act this way because of you. There's no willingness to change when they're not taking any accountability, or when they're just feigning accountability. And the 5th reason is when your physical safety has been threatened or harmed. This one is just dangerous. It's not easy to leave, but what you need is an exit strategy. Stronger.